Let us worship God today. This is the day that the Lord has made, that we shall rejoice and be glad in it. Let us pray. Dear Lord, let your Holy Spirit come, dwell among us and bless this service. Illuminate us and inspire us all with your anointing, that we may feel your presence in this place. May you, the most seen, the most heard, and the most glorified in our midst today. In Jesus' precious name, amen.
And now it is my humble privilege to invite our Honorable Prime Minister to deliver his keynote address. La ufionga le taitai o le atunu o te wala au whaaloalo atu mo lau saunoanga au tu.
Wa te ailangi le te tu te matani wa stato sao le tua malan por faso I fua. Lona lofa malona ngale pe ona sa alo iai le tai o sa ninga. I feel suyo malo mai faf. Lo fianga ele sui parlemir minister cabinet. Fong te lai sui malo il parlamento nani minister on lango farulungo le malo. Business too much. I feel pa ye maurunga la vala ulieva pe fo Samoa pot. O lewa tu le faila o te pai ola o silsila il matang o fie te pai le au wala ulia e nei mauta o tato moli mawina o te momofole nei o tato poto I whape nei I Faleolo il malu maunga mi le si o a lofio ana wa le te taraina le vaenga whai u o le ngā ruenga tele sa amatalia le masino te sema wa fes fulmare lima o le talamoni lava ana whaima moni teia le malo mafo faunga mai fafo e wenga le ngā ruenga tele I longa tātou te sapi whapenei I sona taunu unga manuia moni whaftai whaptoi malo seina moni whatupeina le nei yatinae I se no ngā tupe maulalo le tului wāre whausia nei whale whae e whatari pāses fau mo those malo to watia e tai pio Samoa o le Malielegaoi o stasio ana aseta e so swani I lona te mau ainga una ia I le tele o pisnisi ma whaftawainga tu reisi whilawainga maisi tu inga atinae SS mo le atinae manuia o le tātou tunu e le la lola I fuafuanga mamao al tātou malo taun whaipea ina ia atia le tātou Malielegaoi whawa malo I Faleolo nei o whapopola ia I Malaysia tinae tāua ma le tāle whengai leo tātou whaatino ina nei o le toia matalia leo tātou lava company Valele e tātou lava ina I o whaatasi ma le atinae tele le nei o le tātou Malielegaoi e lei lava nisi e pito I siri ona siri fia tina tāle whengai mo le lei au I luma Samoa mo le tangata nā tātou lava tātou te iloa ia mea lua suvalu masina o ngawha company o Shanghai Construction ma le fausio nei ngā runga tele sa fuafua mua e tauna mai a te sema o le tausanga te luai petai Ona whare tonu o le tau, toi mai o whaoloa whapea le, toi maua o nisi o me whawhale mna mia, le ana o vai whamasina, mai le rua teimi sa tauna mai aile ngā luenga le nei. Taua whae o ngā luenga toa, e se lau whasfu fitu miliona tala Samoa. Ona le tali o fōi o le mai a, o le Fata ina le pākanga o Valele por apron, lo whatupele e lesi fōi poroketi, e wha ngā ioi e whatupele o langino lunga e lua poroketi SS. O le whatu am whaiai o na whatu a whapipi loa tātou a wala savali Valele il masino se tema. Ia po oktopo fo i il tausang nei lava. Ia on whatu ato toa i lole o nai mei e toe e te tau whamaia. E lima sku tausanga e te tau on tātou whaongai nai le ni atina e mal te talo al tātou malo. Ma malo tātou atunu o la awhena nei no whaonga. E tangata malanga le au wha ma le au wha tere pāsese. Ai whapefo i le au whainga luenga i malom business i tonu nei malai ia tautua nā whao ngā whaare lei i whao mi umile o ngā nei fo i atinai tau lai mai ia i a tātou malo mai whafo e maise i lātou i fiase as mai mo mai sa mo nei mori pulenga o malai Valele ia sanga ifo ai o tai Maluina Faleele nei a se fo o fa matu atu tato maloto te fa foia ia ilo to fa mere lei fa tu mau fa bi o milona lei a to mo tato tunu to so mo to o fenga luenga on ai lei nei a se fo fa mania mai ai le tua Pastor Faafetai, Excellencies, Ambassadors and High Commissioners, Ministers of Cabinet, Treasury, Speaker of the House and Members of Parliament, Associate Ministers, Heads of Government Ministries, ladies and gentlemen, I extend on behalf of the government and people of Samoa a very warm thank you to the government of the People's Republic of China for funding this airport upgrade project. The total cost of the project is approximately 147 million Samoan tala, with the construction undertaken by the renowned construction firm of Shanghai Construction Group. The project commenced in December 2015 and was planned to be completed in December 2017. But due to marginalized weather, shipping delays, and untimely availability of needed building materials, a 4-month delay became unavoidable. To summarize the unique qualities of these new airport terminal buildings, it will cater for 600,000 passengers a year with a passenger throughput of 200 passengers per hour. It has twice the floor space from 5,500 square meters of the old buildings to 12,500 square meters for the new one. As expounded before in phase 1 opening, new technology such as the aero bridges, check-in equipment and counters, x-ray machines, both for security and customs and quarantine, state-of-the-art flight information displays and so on, are standard inclusion into these new terminal buildings. As envisaged by government, these new terminal buildings will assist tourism growth in our country, in addition to boosting economic development through air transport facilitation and trade. To those that will be using these new airport buildings, its longevity can only be assured through appropriate usage, care and maintenance. It is your government's hope that this upgrade project will meet our country's airport needs for the next 50 years. With the completion of the new parking space for the aircrafts about September of this year, only then shall we be able to use the connecting bridges about that time. And I will challenge the Airport Authority's Board of Directors and management to manage well and look after properly these new facilities. So for my Manuel.
Faafetai I lau fionga I le ripan mia mo lau saunoanga mata mo fie ua maua ai le tātou whamoe. Ia tāwsia ia fua I atu pēr tātou tamai le langi, le soifua maloloina, utanga loloto ma le tō whamanino, a wale whenga iai ma le teitainga o le tātou atunu. I now invite the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Samoa, His Excellency, Mr. Wang Xuefeng, for his address.
Honorable Tuilaepa, Lupesoliai, Dr. Sailele, Malielegaoi, Prime Minister of Samoa. Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Fiame. Honorable Papalitele Unasa Nikoliha, Minister of Works, Transport and Infrastructure. Honorable Ministers of Cabinet, Members of Parliament, Associate Ministers and the CEOs, respected General Manager of the Overseas Department of Shanghai Construction Group, Mr. Lau Zhengwei, dear colleagues of Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure for me and my colleagues from Chinese Embassy to attend this grand opening of Phase 2 of the new terminal building. With the joint efforts of people of all walks of life of both China and Samoa, the upgrading project of Faleolo International Airport has completed successfully. On behalf of the Chinese Embassy, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to the successful completion of this new project. The new terminal building has the total floor space of 12,500 square meters, more than twice of the old building. It will reach the capacity of passenger throughput of 600,000 per year. The new Faleolo International Airport has become the best international airport in all the Pacific Island countries. With the upgraded services, excellent operation capacity, and aviation management, Samoa has moved a step further toward the aviation hub in the South Pacific region. Not long ago, I met a tourist from China who told me that he was totally awed by the beautiful Faleolo International Airport upon his arrival in Samoa. He said, "I have a complete new impression about Samoa at the first sight of this modern and beautiful airport, which brings a very pleasant feeling to my trip to Samoa." The new Faleolo International Airport has become Samoa's gateway to the world and a brand new landmark of the Paradise Island, the beautiful Samoa. This new international airport, together with all the popular hotels and the resorts and the other tourism resources, will definitely bring vitality to the sustainable development of Samoa tourism industry. Today, when we witness with our own eyes the completion of the grand project of the new international airport with the unique Polynesia style, we can't help marveling at the miracle that was achieved in 2 years' time. I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation and admiration to all those who have made this miracle possible. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Tuilaepa, the Prime Minister of Samoa, and all the cabinet ministers, as well as all the officials of the concerned departments of Samoan government. This new airport is the result of the close collaboration between the governments of China and Samoa. 4 years ago, the agreement on the cooperation for the China Aid upgrading project for Faleolo International Airport was signed between the governments of China and Samoa in the presence of President Xi Jinping and the Honorable Prime Minister Tuilaepa. In the course of the construction of the airport, the working teams of both China and Samoa has cooperated with each other well to complete the project in time with high efficiency and quality. On this occasion, I want to especially express my sincere thanks to all the engineers, technicians, and the workers from Shanghai Construction Group who have worked very hard for this grand project. Thank you, my dear Chinese compatriots. You have set up this new milestone of China-Samoa friendship with your hands and your hearts. 在此，我要衷心的感谢参建机场航站楼的上海建工的全体工程技术人员和工人，你们用你们的聪明才智和辛勤劳动，为中萨友谊竖起了又一座丰碑，感谢你们。I would like to mention that there have been more than 70 Samoan workers who have worked together with their Chinese counterparts during all these 2 years on each sunny and rainy day. Without the concerted efforts of both Chinese and Samoan workers, it will be impossible to build such a magnificent building. My warm thanks also go to the Samoan contractor partners of Shanghai Construction Group, namely OTT Construction, Silver Transport Corporation Limited, T&N Tolea Foa Corporation Limited, Apia Concrete Products Limited, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past decades, on the basis of full respect of the will of the Samoan government and the people for the social and economic development in Samoa, China has provided assistance to Samoa in various fields. All the assistance have been welcomed and has been highly appreciated by Samoa. In 2013, China's President Xi Jinping put forward the One Belt, One Road initiative. Up to now, over 80 countries and international organizations have signed cooperation agreements with China. The cooperation in the field of infrastructure development has been one of the most important priorities of this initiative. Many countries have benefited greatly from this initiative. We look forward to more cooperation with Samoa in the framework of the One Belt, One Road initiative, so that there will be more and more infrastructure projects like this beautiful airport in the future, which will contribute to the economic and the social development of Samoa and bring more tangible benefits to the well-being of the people of Samoa. Thank you. Soifua.